Hey, what up? My name is Sound Sultan. I'm a musician, songwriter, producer, and a co-CEO of Nigerian Ninja Records. I'm here with you on Kenny's Music Channel because I'm about to run down my top 10. No shaking, we are together. One love. Yes, my number 10 for today is a song that really speaks about the situation of the country. And I was directing it to the government and everything that was going on at that point in time. The song is titled Bushmeat. I featured my very good friend, Two-Face Idibia, and it was produced by this wonderful magician of a producer, Jay Slick. And the first time I heard this beat, it was on Jay Slick's keyboard, and I was like, Jay Slick, I love this beat. But he titled the beat Two-Face beat, and I was like, did you do it for Two-Face? He said he has not met Two-Face before, but he would like him to jump on the beat. This beat is mine. I'm not giving it to Two-Face. I said, but the thing I'll do for you is I'll put Two-Face on the track and I'll introduce it to him. And that's how it began everything. That's what gave birth to all the wonderful hits that Jay Slick has made for me and Two-Face. Yeah. So enjoy it. This one is directed by the wonderful Clarence Peters. And just watch out for the video. It will make you remember a lot of things. It's starring me, Baba D, Noso D.O.B., Lambo, Two-Face, and Sharp Sharp. Enjoy it.
My people sabi them everything about the body. Them now my people sabi everybody must know somebody to go. Them now my people sabi them everything about the body. Them now my people sabi everybody must know somebody to go. Only let them papa know. Only let them mother know. Only let my people know. Only cause them to be know.
Yes. Welcome back from my number 10 video. That video sends memories back to my head, I'm telling you. And number 9, yes, it's a video that does something that's close to what this Bushmeat did to me. And this one is from Baba D, all the way from Sweden. And this video was one of the videos that really enjoyed airplay back then. And that's why I want people to see how good the quality is, because right now it's still what it obtains out there, what's obtainable out there. So watch out for this video. It's called Shorty by Baba D. Step to me, Shorty, give me what you got. Enjoy.
Yo, I love the style you bring. Shorty nothing out the flush like a dance machine. Senorita, ride with me. Girl, I ain't just a player, I'm the MVP. I'm Star City Snake Aster, that's who I be. You cruise with the big ballers, roll VIP. You know what I mean? Yo, you can get this love for free, but I ain't searching for no love, I want a one-night fling. In the morning I'll be gone, so baby I got no strings. Shorty looking so fly, she make a grown man sing. Girl, I like your sexy body work, your body swing your dick out just like a clock. You got with me for men, they be like, oh my God, cause every man I want somebody you bumps in a bump.
Step to me, shorty, show me what you got. Get a little money, pop it first. Keep your body working, pull me back to your sexy senorita, feel the dance with me. Step to me, shorty, show me what you got. Get a little money, pop it first. Keep your body working, pull me back to your sexy senorita, feel the dance with me.
Go shorty, you a real topper, hella sexy senorita, got a bad mama jama. Talking to the papa, say she she want me for your fella, but before me here for letter, baby, listen what me tell her. Baby girl, you got the box, so turn around and give me that. Now check it well, I make it, girl, I make your booty chica drop. The way you walking at the dance, you make a whip up in a glance. Them stand and them glance like you put them in a trance. Hot girl, say you look good, you look good. Turn around, let the man know you move good. Hot girl, say you look good, you look good. Girl, I bust it up, I want it up like a car shoot. Hot girl, say you look good, you look good. Turn around, let the man know you move good. Hot girl, say you look good, you look good. Girl, I bust it up, I want it up like a
Step to me, shorty, give me what you got. Yes, so that was a video of Baba D Shorty, and that was some wonderful, wonderful dancing up in there. Yes, my number 8 video right about now is coming from my mentor, my guy, my sharp guy. You see him right here. Yes, sir. All the way from Jersey, New York, everywhere. And that's Wyclef Jean. He features on this track by Shakira. And this one is called Hips Don't Lie. Produced by Jerry Wonder. Enjoy yourself. This is Hips Don't Lie by Shakira and Wyclef.
I'm on tonight, you know my hips don't lie, and I'm starting to feel it's right. All the attraction, the tension. Don't you see, baby, this is perfection.
Hey girl, I can see your body moving, and it's driving me crazy. And I didn't have the slightest idea until I saw you dancing. And when you walk up on the dance floor, nobody can ignore the way you move your body, girl. And everything's so unexpected, the way you right and left it, so you could keep on shaking it.
Never really knew that she could dance like this. She make a man wanna speak Spanish. Como se llama? Bonita. Because
Shakira, Shakira.
Oh, baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad. So be wise and keep on reading the signs of my body. I'm on tonight, you know my hips don't lie, and I'm starting to feel you, boy. Come on, let's go real slow. Don't you see, baby, I see it's perfect. Babe, I know I'm on tonight, my hips don't lie, and I'm starting to feel it's right. All the attraction, the tension. Don't you see, baby, this is perfection. Oh boy, I can see your body moving, half animal, half man. I don't really know what I'm doing, but just seem to have a plan. My will, self-restraint, have come to fail now, fail now. See, I'm doing what I can, but I can't, so you know that's a bit too hard to explain.
dance like this. She make a man.
Yes, you're welcome back to my top 10 on Kenny's music channel. My name is Sound Sultan. You already know. If you don't know, now you know. So, Gone By was the music of Shakira. I'm on number 7 video right now. Still speaking of Wyclef. It's the latest video I shot with Wyclef after King of My Country, after Proud to Be African. This one is called People Bad, directed by Genie, made possible by Spinlet. One love, enjoy it.
Life is wonderful, life is beautiful, life is beautiful. I thank Baba God for who I am today. Been to many places, here and overseas. When I play my music, woman, I'm a great dance away. No, tell her, I mean, you know her. Pretty, yeah. Show you feel my logo. Swagger, many guns. But the lady rise, oh, bounce up on me, any control. Bounce up on me, right? You can't go. People bad, no one see you, make you live, make you sad. People bad, no one see you, make you live, make you sad.
Yes, so people know. Yes, and now on number 6, I got this wonderful song from Baba D. Baba D, the big bad roof from Ninja Ninja. And this one, it features the wonderful singer Henry Knight. Yeah, massa, yeah, massa. Just keep fine like yeah, moja. Don't they use me the low younger. Enjoy.
You already got so love man test. Hey,
Yeah, massa, yeah, massa. Cause you fine like a moja. Don't they use me the blow younger. Yeah, massa, malasa. I can't be in the air, you can't be far. Don't be far away from me. Make our body join body.
I'm a wanter, need her like water. Treat the girl special like somebody data. Skin fresh, yeah she a butter. But she like to hang with a boy from a gutter. Easy, Joe will never hurt ya. Me by your side and Co will never catch ya. She a 10, me I'm a catcher. Me I get your back so nobody ever touch ya. So you get man a shatter. Joe a big grind like piston a matter. She a bushmit, me I'm a matter. Hide in a bed, let's see if I could catch ya. Oh yeah, let's play catcher. You the ball, I'm a arrow, I'm a archer. Fine girl, no agaraja. Black and she fine like it, then she
Yeah,
touch
massa,
ya.
yeah, massa. Cause you fine like a moja. Don't they use me the blow younger. Yeah, massa, malasa. I can't be in the air, you can't be far. Don't be far away from me. Make our body join body.
Me and she, we are like see.
Yes, number 5 music right now is a song that it was a very maybe a lot of people listen to the song and be like, Sound Sultan, what's up with this song? Yes, this song was written and directed and arranged by me, Sound Sultan, for Shantizu. There are a lot of talks behind it, but I'll just let it rest for now. You will get it, the revolution will be televised. But this one is called Surely. I'm playing the song because of the song, not because you sang the song. Enjoy. Surely, coolly, you gonna form like say you lay. No shit.
She's fine like a Indiana. Now come the Jones like a be Indiana. You never seen her before, I guess. You never seen the way that she wanna guess. You never seen her dip it down low, singing about it like a turntable, then suck her dress. I know you wanna know how she goes down low when the rhythm take control. I know you wanna know what she got me trapped in a limbo. That's what the scene go. I wanna control it, Joe. I'm about me, Joe. I'm about all the chaleto. I just want to know. I wanna control it, Joe. I'm about me, Joe. I'm about all the chaleto. I just want to know. Come the Jones like I be Indiana. I'ma show lele, I want to lele. I'ma get see lele, tell me call lele. I'ma show lele, I want to lele. I'ma get see lele, tell me.
Yes, you're welcome back. That was Surely, Coolly. Like I said, I played the song because of the song, not the video. But it's on my top 10 because I wrote it and it's a wonderful song. I thank God. Thank you. Don't mention. Yes. Moving on. Number 4. Trust me, this video is a wonderful video. This video, when I watched it, I hadn't listened to the song for too long. But when I watched it, the video, it was like, this guy didn't tell me. He didn't play this song to me now. Because we are used to playing songs before they come out to ourselves, so I'm like, why didn't hear this song? But you know, we always remember when Ojo used to do but Two-Face Divya took it and took it to space. I'm telling you, and this is a wonderful song. It's called Only Me. People say not just me.
No matter at all, individuality cannot make us stall. I sing for all of y'all. Don't let anybody push you to the wall. Na community, na him make us all. Secret society, na him break us all. I don't want to be talking like a preacher at all. I don't want to do like say I sabi pass all. I know say no be everybody sabi play ball, but I rise up compatriot if Nigeria call. So make you just do your thing, make I do my thing. Live and let living instead of to be feeling like a king on top of nothing. Stop the bragging on top of the posing, because you know say all the vanity vanishing. My lord, we on the call, my lord. My lord, we no people we to make this money. My lord, we on the call, my lord. My lord, we no people we to make this money. I said, who get here, make them hear. Don't go tell anybody, say you see me for here. If not only me, you know, say I no go the care. Just like everybody, I wish life is fair. Only me, there will be no one here for me to dare. Nobody to follow me, scatter money in the air. No one to lean on in times of despair. Too much of everything, but no one to share it. It will be only me going to the cinema. No girlfriend to the tell once in a while, say free me man. But now I got Funke and one Chidera. Plus I'm not the only Superman in the area. Make you just do your thing, make I do my thing. Live and let living instead of to be feeling like a king on top of nothing. Stop the bragging.
Yes, that was Only Me by Two-Face Idibia. Number one. Champion, yes. And this next track is a wonderful track that I really love. I love dancing to the track. That's why if you see me in the video, you see me dancing and doing all these other moves. This one is Baba D featuring Vector the Viper, and it's called Backwell. Omoro. I love it.
Easy whining, cozy shoro. Backwell. Omoro. Sappy the wine with the bed and soro. Them soro. Them soro. Them soro.
Frisca, dancehall officer. She say, how can I help you, sir? What you mean? You break the speed limit when you moving your body when you dancing, Marcus. She said, I'm sorry, sir. What you mean? Put the blame on the producer. Now the trouble on the bass, but the shaking on the waist, I just can't help it. So don't you push and Joe. How many girls don't you push and Joe? Don't you push and Joe when she hit the dance floor, when she pop it down low? Don't you push and Joe. How many girls don't you push and Joe? Don't you push and Joe when she hit the dance floor, when she pop it down low?
Backwell. Omoro. Easy whining, cozy shoro. Backwell. Omoro. Sappy the wine with the bed and soro. Backwell. Omoro. Easy whining, cozy shoro. Backwell. Omoro. Sappy the wine with the bed and soro. Them soro. Them soro. Them soro.
What can't in this? Where she a move and no longer tease. Girl she a tease. Put up on the days and the better beg please. Call the police. Where she a move and no longer tease. Hey, this stopping the peace.
Yes, you're welcome back to my top 10 on Kenny's Music Channel. My name is Sound Sultan. You are in the Ninja studio. This is the studio that brought to you a lot of wonderful songs by God's grace, and wonderful collabos. Yes, before I go on, watch out for my new album. It's called Me, My Mouth and I. Me, My Mouth and I. Watch out for that. To show you the correlation and the combination between these three. My mouth, no feet. In fact, my eye. Anything my eyes see, my mouth must hear. That's why it's me, my mouth, and I. Yeah, so watch out for the album. On the album features wonderful artists and wonderful songs. Trust me. There's a new song we just finished. Me and Wizkid is crazy, and it's called Coco Set. Watch out for that one. It's mad. It's huge. Trust me on that. And yeah, we are going to the next video, which is number 2. And this video is from a very wonderful lyricist from where I'm from, Satellite Town, Barack Obama, half man, half monster. Is a lyrical beast. This guy is 6'6" or 5", very tall, and is the tallest rapper in Nigeria. And I think he's one of the best lyricists I've come across. His name is Kama. the rapper. And Karma is signed to Nigerian Angel Records. This video was supposed to be a viral video, but it went up to another level and we started playing it on TV and it's crazy. People love it, people are appreciating it and they love the song. Put your lighters up, got no time to say what's up. You can't go on like this, yo. Put my money in my money like this, yo. Put your lighters up. This is Karma. Put your lighters up. Enjoy. Directed by Loud.
But she gave me ray vision till I said, I'm a star, don't you see me on television? She like to hang with the stars like the Muslim moon. So she sweeping red carpets, get shorties a broom. Shorty swept me right off my feet, and after that swept me back to the streets. You said you were a baller, pop bottles often. Never seen your video on any TV station. Said you were a star, but don't got a car. Probably meant the chocolate when you said you got bar. Put your lighters up, got no time to say what's up. We can't go on like this, yo. Get my money like this, yo. I said, put your lighters up, you got no time to say what's up. We can't go on like this, yo. We can't go on like this, yo. Like this, yo. Like that. Sound from the underground, found from the underground, crown from the underground. Nobody could hold him down, even with an encore. Now I rock shows like boats. The crowd give me encores. A1 flow, never a failure. When I'm on the track, you know why I never derail ya. The dogs bark with mouths open, off the leash and I rope them. Cats lick and I pope them. Cats lick, yeah, I'm pope. Rocky, no Balboa. 80 beat, I knock over. Rappers say they here to stay, they come and go like male hoes. And ballin', we ballin', testicle. And we never see anybody with it. Test the crew. Last person we try to do, I'm done turn vegetable.
Yeah, what up, what up, what up? If you're just joining in, if you're just tuning in, it's still Kenny's Music Channel and it's my top 10 on Kenny's Music Channel. My name is Sound Sultan. Gone by at number 10 was Bushmeat by me featuring Two-Face Idibia. Shorty, number 9 by Baba D, the Big Bad Wolf. Number 8, we had Hips Don't Lie by Wyclef Jean. And number 7, People Bad Me featuring Wyclef Jean. Yes, thank you, don't mention. Number 6, we had Yemasa Baba D featuring Henry Knight. And number 5 and 4 was Shantizu and Only Me by Two-Face. And number 3, we had Backwell Omoro Baba D featuring Vector the Viper. And number 2, of course, you already know, Put Your Lighters Up, Karma the Rapper. And that was Lighters Up off his wonderful, soon to be released mixtape called Life Behind Bars. Now, the number 1 is a fresh one, is a virgin thing, is a new thing. You have to put some red carpet and let's welcome this new one off my 6th studio album titled Me, My Mouth and I. This song is titled Natural Something, and a lot of people, I didn't say something, I said something. And a lot of people have been yearning for this video. They were the ones that even pushed me to go and shoot the video. And right now, Clarence Peters has again done justice to the video. And it's crazy, trust me. Yes, my name is Sound Sultan. This is my number 1 song, number 1 video on my top 10 on Kenny's Music Channel. It is titled Natural Something. It is a naturally something. When I see you do me strong thing, where I go shorty, is the right day. This video features some heavyweights in the industry. Let me just lick the names already. Yes, we had Chidimoke Man, IK of Big Brother, TY Mix, Jimmy Jat, Basket Mouth, you know, the list is endless, Baba D. Yes, 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 enjoy. We're really doing some acting there. You enjoy it. Enjoy yourself.
That's how I lost all my properties. Everything gone.
Thank you, Brian. I know it's not easy to go from living on the island to living on the mainland in the heart of Joelek, but just because of a woman. Thanks for sharing your story. We've got a new member in our midst here at M&M. Do you want to join us tonight and share your own story?
My name is Sultan.
Hi, Sultan.
this is how it all started.
I spend my money every day on top woman.
Yes, I hope you enjoyed that video. It's a fresh one. You know, request for it anywhere and let people play it. Yes, thank you for the love. Yes, thank you for joining in Penny's Music Channel. My name is Sound Sultan. It's been fun doing my top 10 and I enjoyed every bit of it. Yes, if I didn't play your favorite video, sorry, this one is my top 10. My one. No shaking, one love. See you guys soon, huh?